Good evening, everyone, and welcome to all for this very special evening dedicated to the great music director of yesteryears called Roshan. Roshan Nagraj ji was one of the unique composers of yesteryears in the sense that his music was not only very soulful and melodious, but it also had wonderful lyrical support. During those times, Majru Sultanpuri ji, Sahir Ludhianvi ji, all of them were in their prime form. I'm talking about the 1950s and probably 1960s, majorly 1960s. And because of coming together of such legends, the music that got created was awesome. And I have selected a few of the songs of Roshan ji and I'm trying to present them today. Just a note that I want to add before I begin. One of my very close friends, Srinivasan Mahadevananna, he passed away earlier today. He was a wonderful singer, a Carnatic singer, and he was a teacher in the Shanmukhananda Music and Arts, and he was also my fellow student from my first music class. A huge Rafi fan. He used to sing a lot of Rafi songs, and of course he was trained in Carnatic classical music. We all miss him today, and I would initially, when I got the news this evening just before I came online, I was not in a frame of mind to continue with the show, but one of a good friend of mine said Srinivasan would be happy to hear music and you should go ahead and do the program in his memory. So this evening's show is dedicated to Srinivasan Anna, a wonderful singer and a great human being. Begin with this evening's event. The first song that I've chosen is a very meditative song. I have presented this earlier, but I think it was on a different occasion. A beautiful Yaman in the golden voice of Mohammad Rafi ji. So, any guesses which one it can be? One of the slow ones. If you can text me, I have a front camera on, and I can see you as you're texting. If not, just feel free to just sit back and enjoy. The first song coming up for you, and here it goes. Thank you, Balana. Thank you. मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे, ओ निर्मोही मोहन जाने, जिनका मोह करे, ओ मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे. इस जीवन की चढ़ती ढलती धूप को किसने बांधा, रंग पे किसने पहरे डाले, रूप को किसने बांधा, काहे ये जतन करे, ओ मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे. संग मरे ओ मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे ओ निर्मोही मोहन जाने जिनका मोह करे ओ मन रे तू काहे न धीर धरे. All the beautiful phrases of Yaman are just filled into this particular number of Roshanji. So some of you may be aware, some may not be, about Roshanji himself. So Roshan Nagrat is the full name, and he was, or rather he is the grandfather of Hrithik Roshan. How many of you knew this? Let me know on your message screen. So he started off, of course, in the film industry, and unfortunately, he was composing at a time when there were other stalwarts already, who had made their name. And if you just look at the list of songs that he has composed, and I'm going to sing a few more of them, they are fantabulous, absolutely. And I'm quite surprised and rather disappointed that he never got the recognition in his lifetime. But the fact that we are still humming these songs today is a tribute to the great artist. The next song is from the film Bahu Begum. The first one, Man Re Tu Kahe Dheer Dare, is of course from Chitra Lekha, written by Sahir Ludhianvi. Most of the songs today, coincidentally, are written by Sahir Ludhianvi, 1964. Moving on to 1967, Bahu Begum is the name of the movie, and this was sung by Asha ji and Rafi Saab, but I have taken the male version sung by Rafi ji, and here it goes.
Sing along your favorite songs with Carvaan
Saregama.
Music Bar Karaoke.
हम इंतजार करेंगे, हम इंतजार करेंगे तेरा कयामत तक, खुदा करेगी कयामत और तू आए, खुदा करेगी कयामत और तू आए, हम इंतजार करेंगे. बुझी बुझी सी नजर में तेरी तलाश लिए भटकते फिरते हैं हम आप अपनी नाश लिए. यही जुनून यही वहशत हो, यही जुनून यही वहशत हो और तुम आए, खुदा करेगी कयामत हो और तुम आए, हम इंतजार करेंगे. न देंगे हम तुझे इल्जाम बेवफाई का, मगर गिला तो करेंगे तेरी जुदाई का. तेरे खिलाफ शिकायत हो, तेरे खिलाफ शिकायत हो और तू आए, it just transforms you to a different world, doesn't it? And one of the difficulties of singing with recorded music is this. So when we are singing live on stage, obviously the instrumentalists are following you, and the problem with singing on a karaoke track is the karaoke track just goes on its own. Whether you like it or not, whether you follow it or not, it just goes on its own. So a bit of a lag in the beginning, I'm sorry for that, but that's the way it is. After this beautiful number from Bahu Begum, another beautiful song sung by Rafiji, and today is kind of a dedication to Mohammad Rafiji as well, because most of the songs are sung by Rafi Saab and Lata ji. Barsat Ki Ek Raat, 1960. Sahir Ludhianvi again was a writer, and this kind of goes with the mood of the season. It's a beautiful song on the rain and the emotions that it brings along in the season. So a beautiful number, Zindagi Bhar Na Bhulegi Ye Barsat Ki Raat. So the couple of songs, I like them so much. I've been hearing them right from very young age, but not prepared them to perform on stage or perform in this way. So if any errors are there, I beg your pardon. I've just kind of worked out these songs the last few days. जिंदगी भर भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात, एक अनजान हसीना से मुलाकात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी। हाय वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी, हाय वो रेशमी जुल्फों से बरसता पानी, फूल से गालों पे रुकने को तरसता पानी, दिल में तूफान उठाते हुए हो, दिल में तूफान उठाते हुए जज्बात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी। डरी बिजली से अचानक वो लिपटना उसका, और फिर शर्म से पलका के सिमटना उसका, कभी देखी ना सुनी ऐसी हो, कभी देखी ना सुनी ऐसी तिलिस्मात की रात, जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी। सुर्ख आंचल को दबा कर जो निचोड़ा उसने, सुर्ख आंचल को दबा कर जो निचोड़ा उसने, दिल पे जलता हुआ एक तीर सा छोड़ा उसने, आग पानी में लगाते हुए हो, आग पानी में लगाते हुए मेरे नगमों में जो बसती है वो तस्वीर थी वो नौजवानी के हंसी ख्वाब की ताबीर थी वो आसमानों से उतर आई हो आसमानों से उतर आई थी जो रात की रात जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी वो बरसात की रात एक अनजान हसीना से मुलाकात की बात जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेगी. After Zindagi Bhar Nahi Bhulegi, and hope you got the magic of the monsoon in this. Though this is called light music, and this is what something I want to highlight, light music is not as light as it looks like. If one actually goes to sing these songs and learn it the way it's sung, the nuances come out. So something like this I just want to highlight. La 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 na 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 you get to hear so many notes which are so close to each other, and the way the whole thing is strung together is what brings out the beauty. Going on, the next one is from the film Taj Mahal. And who doesn't love the songs of Taj Mahal? 1963, Rafi Saab and Lata ji both have sung this number, and it is one of the top in my list as far as melody goes. Jo वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. And I'm told it's in the Rag Pahadi. A lot of songs in those years, yesteryears, were from Pahadi, Yaman and Pahadi. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. रोके जमाना चाहे रोके खुदाई, तुमको आना पड़ेगा. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. तरसती निगाहों ने आवाज दी है, मुहब्बत की राहों ने आवाज दी है. जाने हया जाने अदा छोड़ो, तरसाना तुमको आना पड़ेगा. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. ये माना हमें जैसे जाना पड़ेगा. पर ये समझ लो तुमने जब भी पुकारा हमको आना पड़ेगा. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. जब इश्क का सौदा किया फिर क्या घबराना, हमको आना पड़ेगा। जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। चमकते हैं जब तक ये चांद और तारे, न टूटेंगे अब अहदो पैमा हमारे। एक दूसरा जब दे सदा हो के दीवाना, हमको आना पड़ेगा। जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा, निभाना पड़ेगा। What a energy in this song, and especially when they come together, the two voices, the most melodious voices. I like that line, that part. चमकते रहेंगे चांद और तारे. That the whole loop over there is so beautiful. I mean, I could just go on, with the nuances of each song. It's just so beautiful, absolutely, so aesthetically composed. So you will find that there are a lot of Yamans, but each Yaman, if you compare Manre with a Zindagi Bhar and with a Jo Wada Kiya, each Yaman is different, and that is the genius of these composers. And I see a comment from Subramaniam Anna, Balasundaran Anna, about Taj Mahal, and Anna has been such a huge support. Anna, thank you for being online, and all the rest of you as well. Most of you have always been encouraging me and urging me to present these songs. And Subramaniam Anna just mentioned that Roshanji got the Filmfare Award for Taj Mahal. I think this was, correct me if I'm wrong, but this was the only Filmfare Award that he got. That's quite disappointing. And moving on to the next one. This is an extremely soulful song by Lataji. The film is Bahu Begum, written by Sahir Ludhianvi, 1967. Any guesses? Bahu Begum, Lataji. As I try to have some water, I would wait to see if anyone can message which song is this going to be. 1967, Bahu Begum, Lataji. No guesses? Okay, here we go.
Calm your mind with chakra-based meditation music. Saregama Karwa Wellness.
दुनिया करे सवाल तो हम क्या जवाब दे, तुमको न हो ख्याल तो हम क्या जवाब दे, दुनिया करे सवाल. कोई के दिल को कहाँ छोड़ आए हैं, पूछे कोई के दिल को कहाँ छोड़ आए हैं, किस किस से अपना रिश्ते जहाँ तोड़ आए हैं, मुश्किल हो अर्ज़े हाल, मुश्किल हो अर्ज़े हाल तो हम क्या जवाब दे, तुमको न हो ख्याल भागने की सजा कौन दे गया, कहने से हो भला, कहने से हो भला, तो हम क्या जवाब दे, तुमको न हो ख्याल, तो हम क्या जवाब दे, दुनिया करे सवाल, तो हम क्या जवाब दे. I would conclude the presentation with a song which Lataji has sung so beautifully, and I have very distinct memories of hearing this song on the long drives that we used to go in my uncle's car, and the memory is so haunting, you know, it just enters you and it becomes part of your being. And an interesting anecdote with this particular composition, and this was about how Roshan ji went and met R.D. Burman da, and he mentioned about this song to him and said, you know what, I have actually picked up the meter for this song from one of S.D. Burman Dada's, R.D. Burman's father, from his composition. So the meter of the song is so similar to that one. Yes, it is from the film Mamta. Rahe na rahe hum is the song. So Thandi Hawai Lehra Ke Aayi was one of the songs which S.D. Burman Da composed. So the original goes this way. So it's not a copied tune or anything, it's just the meter. So just hear this. ठंडी हवाएं लहरा के आए, रुत है रवा, ना 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 ना, ठंडी हवाएं रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे, ला 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 la 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 la. So you could go from one song to the other and come back to this one, and both are absolutely wonderful numbers. So Rahe Na Rahe Hum is going to be the final presentation for the evening, and hope you like it. Again, another Pahadi, written by Majrooh Sultanpuri, and 1966 was the year the film was released. रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे, बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में, रहे न रहे हम. मौसम कोई हो इस चमन में, रंग बन के रहेंगे हम खिरामा, चाहत की खुशबू यूं ही जुल्फों से उड़ेगी, खिजा हो या बहारा, यूं ही झूमते यूं ही झूमते खिल बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में खोए हम ऐसे क्या है मिलना क्या बिछड़ना नहीं है याद हमको पूछे में दिल के जब से आए सिर्फ दिल की जमी है याद हमको इसी सरजमी पे हम तो रहेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम The last stanza is absolute dedication to him. He talks about the time when he will not be there anymore. जब हम न होंगे जब हमारी खाक पे तुम रुकोगे चलते चलते अश्कों से भीगी चांदनी में एक सदा सी सुनोगे चलते चलते वहीं पे कहीं हम तुमसे मिलेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम महका करेंगे बन के कली बन के सबा बागे वफा में रहे न रहे हम With that, I conclude this evening's presentation. Artists never die. The music of the artist lives forever. And the last song summarizes the whole feeling of the artist. Roshan Part 2 is coming up, and that's going to be the son of Roshan Nagrat, Rajesh Roshan, the uncle of Hrithik Roshan. And he just continued with the legacy of Roshan ji and composed some of the most amazing numbers. It was also almost like like a relay race. Roshan ji just passed on the baton to Rajesh Roshan ji, and he just continued from then on. So that's in the works, and probably in the next couple of weeks I have a concert in the second week of July, where we are going to celebrate the 80th birthday of my Paramaguru, the father of the legendary Malladi brothers, Malladi Suri Babuji. We are all assembling together in Vijayawada to celebrate his 80th birthday, and it's going to be a musical dedication where students from all over the world are coming together to pay tribute to his wonderful life. So that's going to keep me busy for the next couple of weeks. But I promise you that very soon I'll come back with Roshan Part 2, which will be on the music of the legendary composer Rajesh Roshan. If you have any farmaish, please message me, and I would love to include them in my list. Thank you so much for being with me. Take good care of yourself. Keep singing, keep enjoying music, and take care. See you all soon. Bye-bye.